Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and I have found a great beach and camping chair that I want to share with you.
I don't know about you, but when I am lounging by the beach, I do not want to be sitting upright in a traditional camping chair. And that's what I love about this ENAVANT ultralight portable camping chair. It is super comfortable to sit in, and I love that it's a little higher off the ground than a traditional beach chair, which makes it easier to get in and out of. I love the mesh panels so that if you are using this by the beach, and you sit in it with a wet bathing suit, it's going to dry a lot faster. Another feature I love is that the frame of the chair is all corded together, so you don't have to try to figure out what pieces fit into each other, nor do you have to worry about losing any of the pieces. When you put it away, there's a nice Velcro strap that keeps everything together, and it's easy to just roll up into the fabric of the chair and put back into the carrying case. This carrying case is so compact and lightweight, it is perfect to bring anywhere. One thing I enjoy doing around a campfire is playing my guitar. So because there's no armrests, I'm easily able to sit in it and enjoy playing my guitar.
This thing is surprisingly so comfy. It is lightweight, easy to put together. It checks all of the boxes for me, and it's why I love it, and I think why you'll love it too. And that's my point of view.